at Cars Garage, and I've got my friend Brian here. Brian and I, we've known each other for 30 plus years. This is the project car, and Brian's going to tell you a little bit about the car.
Okay, just giving you a little history on the car, and that's part of the charm of these cars. Like, they're not more than just cars. They're like a person. They have a history. You know, things happen over the years, and some of them get cared for, and some of them don't. Thankfully, this one didn't meet the crusher. It's been handed around to quite a few people, but ended up in our hands. It was originally bought in Exeter by a gentleman, ordered. It was original 327 4-speed car. Only 620 of these puppies built because we researched it and we got the VIN number sent in and found out where the car came from, the original RPO options, regular production order options on the car. It was original 12-volt, 327, 275 horse, 4-speed. Great little car, very popular back then because it was a performance car that every young guy wanted. In the history, it sort of bumbled around the country, around Ontario for a while. Ended up down in Vienna here, or sorry, Stratfordville. A local boy by the name of Mario Vizina grabbed onto it, and we tracked Mario down. He owned the car for about 7 years, changed it, changed the color on it, changed the bucket seats, engine. So Mario had it for a few years, and we actually recently hooked up with Mario and told him we had his car because we found it out through the buyer's package. Chased him down. He has a lot of original pictures of when he did the car over, the colors that he changed it to. He's got even the original time slips. He took it to St. Thomas Dragway and raced it there. And he kept the time slips that he ran with it. He had a history of the car that he graciously handed us over some pictures of the car that we're going to redo. So it was great to see that. Mario come in here, saw the car, was right over there, choked up. Right?
So did he run it with the 327?
He ran it with the 327, yeah. And he's got some 14, high 14, mid 14 time slips with it. It was his baby. It was his car, and he had it for about 7 years and then passed it on. But he's actually, just a little tidbit, he came in here and when he saw it, we went and showed him, and he asked for the steering wheel out of it. So we're going to donate the steering wheel because we're going to a different path here. But car floated around, went to different people, ended up in the body shop that we use. The car was there, gentleman that bought it. He was going to finish it. He did spend some money on it, not too original, but just in his flavor. So he ran out of money, ended up, the body shop guy sent him here because he knew we did these kind of things. And we ended up buying the project as it was in the body shop. So we've taken a little bit different direction. We've gone a lot deeper, more intense as far as the restoration goes.
Right. Yeah.
We're changing it a bit, but it's going to be a nice car when it's done.
Oh, it's going to be like a new car when
Yeah.
it's done.
Oh my gosh, but these things are like a domino. Every time you pull, looking at a car when it rolls into the shop and trying to tell what it needs as far as work goes is like looking into a pond and wondering how many fish are there.
Yeah.
Until you get the pond drained, you don't know. Until you get the car apart, and that's when we found some demons. Like we found some things that needed to be replaced. Ended up, we pretty well have replaced.
Yeah.
It had some new quarter panels and stuff on it, but we've pretty well replaced right from the front to the back. We've replaced the floor pans, inner fenders. There's so many parts on there, but it will be just like a brand new car when we're done.
If you want to see more detail on some of the work that they've done on the floor pan and everything, then check out their videos. There'll be a link in the description.
Thank you. Yeah. We try to do something, keep people up, so you're not anything in depth, but it just keeps people, in the loop of what's going on.
Yep. And last time when I was looking at it, you were working on the rear axle.
Yep, we pulled the rear diff apart. We like to check. I mean, you could see that somebody had done work on it, but you never know until you check it for yourself. And we want to make sure, because of the level we're taking this car to, we want to make sure that everything back there was right, and it was. Like, we pulled it apart. There was a couple little bearing problems on the axles, but there's a product out there where we could fix that,
Yep.
and it's better than new, and we don't have to replace the axles, so we've got the original 12-volt axles. So.
Okay. So we're just going to take a quick walk around here and have a look at the car. And I'm not going into a lot of detail because if you want to see the details, you're going to have to watch Brian's videos. Okay, so you can see that they've upgraded to disc brakes on the front here. And this has all been sandblasted. And what kind of coating did they use on that, Brian?
It's a durable paint that they put on. They've taken it down to do an epoxy primer first, which gave it a real good bond, and then they put this high build paint. I think it's a enamel, but it is really hard and it sticks, I'm telling you, because we've tried to take it off some areas.
Yeah, okay, well, that's all on one of your videos as well. And you can see right there,
We've updated those. Those were reinforcements that the factory came out with when because we're moving the thing up to a big block of 396, and the small block didn't have those because they're reinforcements because of the power that the 396 makes.
okay, that was the other thing I was gonna ask, is what is going under the hood here?
Well, we're going to do a 396. 327 was great, but this one we're going to go to a 396, 350 horse build with a little extra bonus.
Okay, little extra bonus.
Yeah. We're going to, bigger cam. We're going to do a little bit modern valve train in it. We're going to do a roller. You know, frees up horsepower. It's just things have really made leaps and bounds since 1967, but
Yeah,
we're still going to have it appear just like when it came out in 67.
all right. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be pretty much a brand new car when they're done. And I'm gonna give you a brief little shot of the floor pan here, what's going on. And again, if you wanna see a better close-up, then you're just gonna have to go check out Brian's videos. So the next time I come back, hopefully the engine's gonna be in here. And if you really wanna see the engine, Brian just posted a video today of the 396 that's going in here. So if you want to watch that, make sure you go to the Tillsonburg Cars channel. Check it out. So thanks for watching, and hope you like this video, and I hope you like some of Brian's videos. Make sure you hit the like button on mine and on Brian's videos as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also to Tillsonburg Cars channel. Thanks for watching. See you here again soon.